Hello friends, good morning. This video actually is coming to you quite quickly. Yesterday, day before yesterday also I had posted one video on few stocks of my choice. Actually not my choice but choice of the share market, because it is only the shares which share market likes, which sells in the share market, they only matter. My choice and your choice actually do not matter at all. Let's friend, today I would like to say one thing. Sorry, that there are some shares, I remember these doctors, when they see patient, they charge their fee, irrespective whether the patient gets all right or not, patient is alive or dead, but they will take their fee. Similarly, in the stock market also we have some shares where whether the share market goes up or share market goes down, fine, the brokerage will take their shares, charge their brokerage, and all the shares are traded in the exchanges. So that means today we are going to talk of some very important sector, and that sector is actually of the stock exchanges. Now let us see, first of all, in these is your Bombay Stock Exchange. Now this is BSE Limited, and Bombay Stock Exchange Q1 results actually were declared on 24/8, whereas expected now is that the next Q2 results will be, it is Q2 here, Q2 results will be declared around 24/11/21 only. That means we are expecting the results to be announced, and results actually were very good. You can see the trend for the last 6 months or 9 months, it is an upward trend. And yesterday only, Bombay Stock Exchange gave a tremendous breakout only yesterday, and that is why what has actually happened. 2-3 things have happened. One thing is, in one day, it has crossed its highest ever 1338 around. Then it crossed the resistance also at the same time, and if you really see that, if you see the volume, it has gone up with a great volume. Fine. And at the same time, friends, if we check at MACD and RSI, both of them are giving a very, very nice picture of stock moving ahead. And even RSI is also 68.25. If you see RSI, you will say now there is not much scope left, maybe another 200 rupees is left. But my point is that till the crossover takes place, you remain with the stock. There is no two opinion, and maybe that at present you may have to keep it for about 1.5 months time for a very, very substantial gain. Friends, market goes up or market goes down. The stocks are selling actually through the exchanges, so exchanges are making lot of money. And this actually stock, I must say, is a low beta stock. So sometimes you may find that market is going up, but the stock does not actually go up with the speed. Nevertheless, now the result season is there. Therefore, I say yes, this stock must be in your portfolio. Number one, you can do 80% of the purchases. Number two, and number three is, I have 3-4 days back, I have already taken the stock in my portfolio. And the friends, the next stock that we have is the Indian Energy Exchange. Now, Indian Energy Exchange, if you know, the Q1 results were on 22nd of August, and it is expected around 22 or 24 or 2010. The results may be there. So far, there is no announcement of this. And you see, there is a flag pattern, and flag pattern, you can see the flag here. It has given over a flag pattern. It has gone up it has broken up. It has still gone up, and just see the volume with which it has gone up. Friends, it is showing a real trend in the up direction. And if you really see the MACD has just crossed. This MACD line is about to cross. What has happened is, this has happened in one day, and this is confirmed by this volume also. Therefore, this MACD will continue to go up. Even RSI will continue to go up, and my own feeling is yes, that it will cross 695. It has already crossed its highest ever, that is 645 approximately, and this stock is likely to go up. Friends, I'm not saying that the results, I am seeing the dates 22/7 and 22/10. It could be around that. It could be 30 also. But my point is, now the time is not left. It has just gone up, and share is a low beta. It is 0.04. That means if the market it moves slower than the market. So just keep this thing in mind. And the stock is already in my portfolio. I purchased this stock as about 590. Then friends, this Central Depository Services, here if you see, yesterday only it has given a breakout. This is symmetrical triangle it formed. The share is constantly in the uptrend for the last about 9 months time. And at the same time, if we really see, now this MACD actually has not even given a crossover. It is likely to give crossover. Now this is actually a continuation pattern. The trend is up, so it has already broken the trend yesterday. And friends, see the highest ever actually it had gone was, I will say, the price is somewhere around say 1550. So from here you have minimum you have with you is say roughly about 200 rupees plus in hand, number one. And then results are also, around 31st of October, the results will be there. So you can keep the stock definitely with you. And I hope you have not forgotten to subscribe the channel. Friends, what I'm seeing is for the last about couple of videos that the new subscribers are not taking interest in subscribing the channel. Please subscribe the channel, I request you. And make this channel very, very successful. Now we see one more, that is multi-commodity exchange. Multi-commodity exchange, the Q1 results were on 27/7/21 and expected is around 27/10. Once again, friends, if you see yesterday what has happened, it has given, rather for the 3 days the volume actually is going up. Okay, and yesterday it has given a quantum jump of about, I think, we'll say about 10%, or more than about 14-15% it has given yesterday. Friends, since the results are quite close, declaration of results, actually the date has not been declared so far. And if you see the way, this histogram has gone up, and even for that matter, see the direction of MACD, it is up. Volume is up, everything is up. So friends, it is giving me one indication that since it has already crossed 780 and it has zoomed across this very fast, so the stock need to be in your list. But nevertheless, one of our understanding is always very straight, that whenever there is a cross, actually you need to come out. Fine. So these are actually my stock. I just believe that if you want to be the king, remain with the kingly stock. Don't buy stocks which are in dustbin. Your amount, your money invested will go into the dustbin only. It will not go actually anywhere. So keep harmony with the share market. Always keep movers and shakers of the share market, and you will also shake your money up very well. So friends, thank you very much. And these are the 4 shares which are in my list, and I have all these 4 shares in my portfolio. Well, you can also create a basket of good portfolio. Fine friends, thank you very much, and have a nice day. Enjoy yourself and make money in the share market. This is the right time to buy shares in the share market. Thank you.